Traditional video editing is on its way out. Harsh? Maybe. But let's face it, spending hours in complex editing software just to produce a single video is no longer practical. The world is moving too fast, and creators need faster solutions to stay competitive. If you're still using old-school editing methods, it's time to rethink your strategy. Why? Because AI is changing everything, and those who adapt will thrive, while those who don't risk falling behind. AI-driven video tools are revolutionizing how we create content. They don't just speed things up, they completely transform the process. From automatic scene detection to instant caption generation, these tools are designed to do the hard work for you. No more staring at timelines for hours. No more hiring expensive editors to meet deadlines. These tools deliver the same, if not better, results in a fraction of the time. And the learning curve? Almost non-existent. I've been ahead of the curve for the past 3.5 years, using an AI tool that makes video creation effortless. Want to know what it is? Click the link in the description and see how you can leave traditional editing behind for good.